Welcome to the Animated Maths for All series, Series 3, Learn, Grow, Excel. Let's start our journey at the Oceanania Aquarium. We're going inside to explore some interesting math concepts. Observe this aquarium tank. It has various dimensions indicated: a height of 7 meters, a base of 2 meters by 3.5 meters, and the water level is initially at 1.5 meters. We added some pebbles to the tank, and the water level has raised. Notice the new height of the water. The pebbles occupy space, causing the water level to be displaced to a higher level. It rose from an initial level to 1.5 meters. Now let's head to the classroom to explore volume and displacement concepts further. The teacher asks who can write the formula for finding the volume of a container on the board. Volume of a container is calculated as length times breadth times height, where L is length, B is breadth, and H is height. Using this formula, let's calculate the volume of a container with a length of 10 centimeters, breadth of 10 centimeters, and height of 6 centimeters. A student volunteers to calculate the volume mentally. The student correctly calculates the volume to be 600 cubic cm. Well done. That's correct. Now observe what happens when we add some metal cubes to the water tank. Look, when the metal cubes were added, the water level raised. This means the metal cubes displaced the water. The teacher asks if measuring the new height of the water and calculating the volume gives only the volume of the water. A student points out that calculating the volume using the water level height gives the volume of both the water and the submerged cube. The students discuss calculating the volume of the cubes using the change in water level. The teacher affirms that we need to find the volume of water using both the new and old heights of water. The teacher confirms the new water height is 5 centimeters and the old height was 4 centimeters. The volume of water based on the current height of 5 centimeters is calculated as 10 times 10 times 5, which equals 500 cubic cm. The volume of water based on the previous height of 4 centimeters is calculated as 10 times 10 times 4, which equals 400 cubic cm. Let's find the volume of the metallic cubes. The new volume minus the old volume is 500 cubic cm minus 400 cubic cm, which equals 100 cubic cm. The length and breadth of the water remain the same as the tanks, as the water takes the shape of the container. The teacher asks if 100 cubic cm is the volume of 2 cubes or 1 cube. A student answers that 100 cubic cm is the volume of 2 cubes, as 2 cubes were placed in the water. We need to divide this volume by 2 to find the volume of a single cube. Therefore, the volume of one metallic cube is 100 cubic cm divided by 2, which equals 50 cubic cm. The teacher confirms the correct volume of one metallic cube is 50 cubic cm. The teacher then asks if the volume of any irregular object can be found this way. A student confirms that the volume of any object can be found using this method. The teacher concludes that the students have mastered the concept of finding the volume of objects inside water and will continue with volume of liquid in containers in the next session. This video has been a part of the Animated Maths for All series, Series 3, Learn, Grow, Excel.